Here I am at the Coromandel piggery. Scrap cars, stinky old pigs. This is the lifestyle of living here. This is good old Victor's shack. Victor's shack. Welcome to hell. I bet my car made it here. Look at the tyres. It proved me wrong. And believe it did, eh? Proved me wrong as always. Always proved me wrong, that car. But no, it won't be part of scrap here. Morning, mate. How's your day today? Good. How's your day? What have you been doing today? Eh? Just laying in the mud, I guess. Right. See you later, eh? Morning. How's your day? Morning. How's your day, mate? Okay. All good. Just laying in the mud. There's some nice piglets over there. Very cute, eh? Yep. Just a good old family here.